Hey guys, it's Irfan. I'm going to show you a simple hack. I've got these pages here to staple. These are about 20 pages. A regular staple machine like this would do it. Now what I wanted to show you is I've got another packet here that's about maybe 40 or 45 pages. The regular stapler wouldn't do it, and I'll show you what I do in a case like that. But first I'm going to show you how I do these. First, I made myself a template. See these 3 holes here? 1, 2, 3. That's for binders. Now these marks that I got here, 1, there should have been 1 here, but that's already the middle, and this one here, 3. That's what I use as my guide for the staples, and I just make my marks on the page, the first page. That's where I'm going to put my staple through. So I put my guide template on top of the first page, and I go like about maybe 1 centimeter in from the edge. And now I'm going to mark where I want my staples to go. There. This one is the middle one. And this is the other one. Now that I've got those marked, I could put my staples through there. I do the middle first. That's the best way to do the middle first, and then the 2 outer ends, second and third. Where you see my template mark there, that goes on the stapler. So that's the first one done. You can see it's perfect. Then I'm going to do this one next, and the bottom one. So that's my 3 staples in this here. Okay, you might gotta just press in the edges a bit. This other one, which is about 40 or 45 pages, I can't do it the same way. This stapler wouldn't work. I could go to Staples and use their heavy-duty machine, but I don't want to go all the way there. So what I do in a case like this is I mark, instead of using 3 staples, I use 2, and I mark like 2.5 inches in from each top and bottom edge. And I took these here out of heavy-duty shipping boxes, and I'm going to use 2. I'll just straighten them out using anything like this, and I'll show you next what I do. So I have these straightened out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these 2 nails and my little hammer, ball peen hammer, to go through all 45 pages. I'll use these to mark where I want the 2 nails to go through. I've got just the first page alone here, and I've selected a distance from the edge in where I'm going to put my staples, and I'm going to mark 1, 2.5 inches in for 1 staple, and from the top here 1, 2.5 inches in. So I want my staple to go here and here, this distance. Now I'm going to put all of these pages back together, and then send my nail through. I'm going to set it up like this, these two pieces of wood and this here in the middle to prevent it from bellying down, and then I'll send my nails through. I'm going to mark where the two holes should go through for each staple. So those two are marked here and here. I'm going to send the two nails through, one for each hole. That's one of them done. It's gone all the way through to the wood. I'll do the other one now. So they're both in. You can see that, and it lines up with the staple. So now I could just pull these out and put the staple in. Got these out. I'm going to pull these out and put the staple in now. You don't have to go that deep. Okay, so the two nails are out, and this goes in here now. So that's that, and I'm going to bend them now, but instead of bending them in like the regular staple, I'm going to bend them out, and I'll use this here, or you could still use the same nail, it doesn't matter. Use something like this here to create the point where you're going to bend it over. I'm going to go with the nail just for you guys. I'll put the nail there and I'll bend it over. I'm going to use this here to secure it and then bend over. Well, that's the first one done. From here, bend over to the outside. I'm going to send the nails through. Second one now. So first nail is gone through on the second staple, and I'm going to average where the other one should go, right about here. Got the two in. I didn't go as deep as I didn't want to have a problem trying to pull it out from the wood. So now those are in. I could even, using this here, I could put it like this and send them in a little bit more. They're not going to be hitting on anything. Alright, so these two nails are through, and I used the space in between here to put them and send them through. I'm going to pull them out and put my staple through. Okay, so it's through there. Now I'm going to bend them to the outside. So there you have it. A thick bundle of 40 to 45 pages, stapled using these recycled staples that I got from cardboard boxes. Alright, and that's good. The Brooklyn Bridge. Very neat job. So if you got to staple a whole bunch of pages that your regular staple machine would be unable to do, that's a trick you could use, okay? And that's what it looks like from the side, bent towards the outside. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your time. Bye now.